Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a mini PC from Chatri. This is the T9H mini PC and this is the box for it. It's a pretty simple box. As you can see, if this is the box, the PC must be even tinier. The PC is probably this big. It's super tiny, super convenient, especially if you're working in an office and you don't have a lot of space. And yeah, it says mini PC on the sides, both sides says mini PC. And on the back right here we have some specs. Our box is not ticked, but we have a Intel N150 CPU. We have 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. And obviously we have the UK power adapter. Pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to showcase it and put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As always, let's start with the small stuff first. So we have a user guide instruction manual right here, English and Chinese. So I suggest give this a read. You'll understand what this PC can do and what you can connect to it. Really handy that they included this. You don't have to guess it. It even tells you the state of the PC. According to the light, it has an LED light on the front, which I'm going to show you in a second. So give this a read. We have a VESA mount metal plate, or just a plate. You can mount this mini PC anywhere really. They also included the screws. You can mount it under the desk, behind the monitor, on your wall, behind your TV, anywhere you want, because it's got these screws right here on the back. So it's super handy to have that. We have a HDMI cable, so HDMI to HDMI. And we have a power supply. They have sent me the EU model, even though I live in the UK, but I'm pretty sure that's just the review sample. If you buy it from Amazon, and depending on what region you're in, you will come with a proper power adapter. I'll just use a adapter from EU to UK. It's not a big deal. And we have the main unit here, the mini PC. This is how it looks. It's super tiny. We have this black matte finish on the top, and on the front I/O, we have the LED right here. We have two, let me see if my camera can focus. We have two USB type A ports. These are USB 3.0. We have an audio jack and we have a power button. We have the mesh grill on both sides, and on the back, in terms of I/O, we have the power supply. So the power supply will, this one right here, will plug in this slot right here. We have two USB type C's, we have two HDMI's, we have 1 gigabit connection port, so you can hardwire it, and we have two USB 2.0 ports on the back. We have this grill. This is for the fan to blow the hot air out from the mini PC. And on the bottom we have obviously the two screw sockets for the VESA mount. We have some rubber feet. You won't scratch any surface, also you won't go anywhere. And we have some specs. So T9H mini PC, Alder Lake N150, that's an Intel CPU. The input is 12 volts 3 amps. That's the code, made in China. It comes with a barcode. I think this is for warranty purposes. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Again, this is super tiny and super convenient. I like the form factor. I am going to go ahead now and set it up, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like when it's set up. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I have set up the PC next to my TV. It's so tiny. All I had to do is just put it over my Xbox, connect it to HDMI and the power supply, and that's it. It's ready to go. As you can see, I have connected the HDMI to the back of it and the power supply the same, and in the front I put a wireless dongle for a mouse and a keyboard, so both the mouse and the keyboard are connected to one port, and it just works. This is the system information right here. So as you can see, we have Windows 11 Pro, we have a Intel N150, 4 core, 4 threads. If we scroll down a bit, we're gonna see how much memory we have. So we have 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is plenty for a PC this size, and everything just works just fine. We have Microsoft Edge, we have everything that you might find in a normal PC. If we open this PC folder, we'll see the hard disk right here. So it's an SSD and it has 500 gigabytes of storage. Again, plenty for this type of PC, considering the size of it, considering that it's smaller than my palm. I think 500 gigs with 16 gigs of RAM and a 4 core 4 thread processor is more than enough. You can use it to browse the web, do some office tasks, watch videos. Let's go on YouTube right now. Let's see. So here, this is my YouTube channel. You can just click play. techroomuk here. So for today's video, we have a keyboard from Mecrans. That's my latest video. And of course, you can just scroll the web. You can do everything that a PC can do. Obviously, it's not made for gaming. Just light task, office, emails, YouTube, everything in between is not made for gaming again. Maybe you can play some old games, but I would suggest just keep this for office task, as it's tiny. You can put it behind your TV or in front like I did. You won't really notice it. And yeah, pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.